Today we are doing one important problem on analysis of financial statement. This we consider as base or denominator. Similarly, you have to calculate for 60,000, 10,000, revenue from operation and other income. Similarly, you have to go do it for 2017 also. The income tax already calculated. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidyashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the last session of analysis of financial statement. In the previous sessions, we did many problems on financial statement analysis of comparative balance sheet, common size balance sheet, as well as common size P&L account. Now, we are in the last session now. Today we are doing one important problem on analysis of financial statement of profit and loss account. The whatever problem we are going to discuss, which is your past year question paper problem. We'll go for that, as well as you will get one homework on this. Please be concentrate. From the following information, prepare common size statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31st March 2016 as well as 31st March 2017. Now, particulars, you have information for 16 as well as 17. Before we go to your problem, as I told you, we have three stages. In the question itself, you have to classify stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. Revenue from operation and other income. These two we call it as stage 1. Cost of material, employee, financial cost, depreciation, other expenses. This is called stage B or stage 2. The last one, taxation. This is your stage 3, C. This is your stage A, B and C. We have all the information. In the previous session, we discussed each and every concept, as well as we discussed the format also. Please go back to your previous session, watch that. You will understand how to solve this problem. Now, in this, we have all the information, and as I told you, revenue from operation always we consider as base or denominator. This we consider as base or denominator. We'll go for the solution. Now, revenue from operation and other income. If you add these two, you will get total revenue. Now, in this percentage, as I told you, yeah, these two always what? 100%. Add 100 plus for 104 and 102.5. How you got this 4%? 20,000 multiplied with 100. What is the base? 5 lakh. If you calculate this, you will get 4%. Have you got this 2.5%? Simple. What is this? 10,000. 10,000 multiplied with 100 divided by what is the base? The base is 4 lakh. So base is 4 lakh. Like this you have to calculate. If you do this calculation, you will get 2.5%. This is your stage 1. Now we'll go for the stage 2. Stage 2, we have all the expenses. We should add everything. Nothing but this is your part B. The previous one is your part A. Part A answer is 5,20,000. Now, this is your part B. You have around 4,30,000 in this. you have added everything. Individual, you have calculated percentage. How did you calculate? Simple. For example, I'll go with 3 lakh. 3 lakh multiplied with 100 divided by what? What is your denominator? I'll go back. Your denominator is 5 lakh. Now, so divided by 5 lakh, you will get 60%. Similarly, you have to calculate for 60,000, 10,000, 20,000 and 40,000. This is for 2018. Now 2019 also same calculation, but denominator or base, which one you should consider? Yes, you should consider 4 lakh. So same calculation, for example 2 lakh multiplied with 100 divided by what is your base? Your base is 4 lakh. If you calculate, you will get 50%. Simple calculation. I'll go out of this screen, take screenshot or write down everything. Now we'll go for the last stage or last step. In this, as I told you, A minus B, how did you get? 90,000. I'll go back. A is how much? 5,20,000. B is 4,30,000. Now, 5,20,000 minus 4,30,000, your answer is 90,000. Easy? Yes. Your answer is 90,000. Simple calculation. Similarly, you have to go do it for 2017 also. Write down this answer. Work out without seeing answer. Now, percentage, same calculation. I'll do one calculation in this. You have 90,000. 90,000 multiplied with 100. We are doing 2016. Then what is the denominator? Denominator is 5 lakh. If you do this calculation, you will get 18%. Similarly, 36,000 multiplied with 100 divided by 5 lakh. Now, what about 2017? Under 2017, 1 lakh multiplied with 100 divided by how much? 4 lakh. Why it is 4 lakh means your denominator or base is 4 lakh. Now, this is done. Your 2016 also over, 2017 also over. From 90,000, what is your tax calculation? 40%. Now, 90,000 multiplied with 40%, you will get 36. 90,000 minus 36, your final answer is 54. Remember, tax you should minus. It is not add, it is always minus. 90,000 minus 36,000, your answer 54,000. Simple. Whatever we did in the last session, same kind of problem, but similar kind of problems you will get in your examination. Now we are in the last part of your session called financial statement analysis. We did many problems on financial statement analysis. So there is a small homework for you. You have to solve this. Now, I'll give you simple problem. This is for 2016 and this is for 2017. This is particular. Particular 2016 and 2017. In this, the first thing is revenue from operation. First one is 20 lakh. and second one 12 lakh. Other income. Other income. First one 50,000 and second one 60,000. After this, expenses like material consumed, financial expenses, depreciation, employee benefit expenses, and other expenses. These are the expenses you have. Material consumed, it will be some 12 lakh. Financial expenses 50,000. Depreciation 30,000. Other expenses 20,000. This is for 2016. We'll do for 2017. This will be 7 lakh, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. These are your step 2 expenses. We'll go for the last one. The last adjustment is income tax. Income tax for the first one 40,000. Income tax for the second one 30,000. This will be your homework question. Simple. What we did in today's session, exactly similar problem I have given, but income tax was in percentage, but now it is simple. Why? Because the income tax already calculated and given final amount. This is 40,000 and this one is 30,000. This will be your homework. Solve this and send me your answers. This is all about your today's session. We have completed the financial statement analysis. 12 marks, 1 problem, 2 marks, 1 theory, again 1 marks, 1 theory. This topic which carries 15 marks, important for your examination.